In everyday life, we are taught that copying is bad. In the stock market, trying to be a genius is usually what goes wrong. If the framework for a $1 billion portfolio is already built, stop trying to reinvent the wheel. Find a super investor whose style matches yours, look at their highest conviction bets, and start cloning shamelessly.
Forget the myth of the lone wolf stock picker. Some of the best in the business admit to a simpler strategy. It is called shameless cloning.
In the world of investing, plagiarism isn't just legal. It's actually one of the fastest ways to get rich. While Wall Street tries to sell you on the myth of the genius lone wolf stock picker, some of the world's most successful fund managers admit to a different strategy entirely. Shameless.
Billion-dollar funds employ teams of analysts. They spend months auditing factories and dissecting models. You get all that research for free.
Coined by value investor Monish Pabrai, shameless cloning is exactly what it sounds like. It is the practice of looking at what the world's greatest investors, like Warren Buffett or Charlie Munger, are buying and buying the exact same thing. No tweaks, no complex algorithms, just pure replication. Think about it. When an elite hedge fund buys a stock, they have poured millions of dollars into due diligence. They've interviewed the management team, studied the competitors, and stress-tested the balance sheets.